Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove properties or metadata from a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a PDF file. I have already opened this and I will remove this PDF file. Properties, select file option. Now select your properties option and select this description option. Here you will find this title properties and this author name is PDF file subject and keyword, and I'll remove all of them. Select and remove it. You can delete option and select file and additional metadata. Remove this and this copyright status I'll make it unknown and finally select OK and security, no security font and schedule custom and select OK and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file and save it, and again go file option and save properties and see this there is no metadata showing here and security. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.